Welcome to Wise Gains YouTube channel. What is a cash flow statement? A cash flow statement is a financial statement that provides a summary of the cash inflows and outflows of a business or an individual over a specific period. Operating activities. It typically includes cash receipts from sales, payments to suppliers and employees, and other operating expenses. Investing activities. Investing activities show how a company is allocating its resources for future growth and strategic initiatives. Financing activities. It includes activities such as issuing or repurchasing stock, borrowing or repaying loans, and paying dividends. Information supplementary. The interest and income taxes paid are shown in this section of the cash flow statement. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep discovering, learning, and exploring with us, don't forget to that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.